Have you ever stayed up at night stressing over bills, wondering where your money went to, and your peace of mind went off? If you have ever felt financially overwhelmed, you are not alone. But what if I told you that learning how to budget isn't just about numbers? It's one of the best ways to improve your mental health. So today in this video, I'll be diving into how budgeting can literally boost your emotional well-being and give you a life you don't even need to escape from. Still to the end, I'll be sharing a free worksheet to help you build your mental wealth through better budgeting. Research from the University of South Australia confirm a powerful truth. Consistent financial habits like saving and paying off debts are directly linked to better emotional well-being. Let me break it down. Financial anxiety often leads to insomnia, depression, and even physical symptoms like headache or fatigue. When you don't have a budget, you often feel out of control, like your life is managing you, not the other way around. But when you build a budget, you track your spending and set goals. You are not just building wealth, you are reducing cortisol, the stress hormone. The interesting fact about the study reveals that they experience even stronger mental health benefit from financial planning than women. That tells us that it's not just about personality, it's about brain chemistry. That is why you find out that most men experience this than women. Now, I'll be giving you 5 common red flags to avoid. The first one is to avoid your bank account or credit card statements. 2, mood swings or irritability when money is mentioned. Impulse spending as emotional coping. Feeling ashamed or secretive about your financial habits. Constantly feeling behind or anxious even when you are earning money. The brain processes financial stress similarly to physical danger. That means your body reacts as if you are in a life or death situation, even over a bounce check. But here is the good news. You can reverse it as far as you are willing and you're intentional about it. So this is why this video will be very helpful to you. Here how budgeting supports emotional well-being that can help you build your financial wealth. Budgeting helps you to feel in control and it reduces anxiety. It gives you confidence, hitting your financial goal that will build your self-esteem. It also helps you to be calm, knowing that you have a plan, there is no stress. And it also gives you clarity to be mindful of what you spend on. Consistency, when you keep on repeating the same thing and you find out that your goal will be achieved. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So make sure your money is not the one controlling you. Budget so that you'll be the one in control of your money. Here are simple and sustainable methods you can start using today to budget your money. The 50-30-20 rules with a mental health switch. The 50 will be for needs like your rent, food, utilities, and health. The 30 will be for like wants, maybe hobbies and fun. While the 20 are for your goals. It might be for your savings, debt repayment, and investment. So by the time you add this, you see that at the end of every month, you spend at least 5% on mental health. That might be maybe therapy or coaching, books or money mindset, and nature tips or trip to reset your brain. Don't always feel guilty because that's how you will build your financial budgeting if you persist and you're consistent in doing it. Now, let's look at some example, some case study that will help you to stick to budgeting. Before budgeting, remember piece in pieces. You know, there's a lady called Sarah who earned well but not had clarity. It has a lot of credit. She has a lot of credit card, a lot of debts and things to pay. Then the second case, after budgeting, peace in progress. Now that is the second case. Once you start budgeting, your anxiety will reduce. You will sleep better knowing that you have a plan and work for your money, not your money controlling you. You know, people who actively manage money report up to 25% lower rates of depression. And that's a big deal, you know. So think of budgeting as a therapy for your bank account. If you've not been budgeting all this while, Make sure you start budgeting because it's a great therapy that will help you mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. Here are some free or low cost tools that will help you. You can use some app like You Need a Budget, which is YNAB, good budgeting app. Then there are so many of them. You can also journal. There's what we call journaling. Write how you feel about every spending every day that you have spent. And being aware of it can give you healing. Also, you can minute in your check-in. Open a budget plan app for maybe some few minutes to track the things you spend on, your current balance, and your mood level. And all these are called money mindfulness, and it's proven to reduce financial stress. I'll be giving you a 7-day mental wealth challenge. Are you ready to start the challenge? Yes, so let's go. Day 1, I would like you to list every debt or income. While day 2, build your 50-30-20 plan. Make sure you have a plan. Day 3, cut one toxic spending habit. 4, you can create a peace of mind fund. 5, plan a self-care purchase. Like 6, you track how budgeting made you feel. While 7, you celebrate your win, be it big or small. Make sure you celebrate. If you want this challenge in a printable or downloadable form, just feel free to comment in the comment section and I will get it across to you as far as I see or as soon as I see your comment. So money doesn't buy happiness, but managing it can protect your peace of mind. Budgeting is no longer just a financial tool, it's a mental wellness strategy. Want to start budgeting with clarity? Download the free worksheet, Budgeting for Mental Wealth. The link is in the description, so make sure you get it there. Like this video if you learned something new, and make sure you share it with a friend who needs a little more peace and a better plan. Do not forget to subscribe to Chioma Rain for more real talk on personal finance, peace, and power. Thank you for watching.
Chioma Media, light in the storm, bringing truth and fire, keeping heart.